How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To dress up. Carla and Tom are at their apartment. They're getting ready for a costume party. I'm so excited about this party tonight. I can't wait to see everyone's costumes. Me too. What are you planning to wear? I've decided to go as a pirate. I found this amazing costume at the store. How about you? I'm going to be a superhero. I've always wanted to wear a cape. That sounds fun. I think it's great when everyone really commits to the theme and dresses up for events like these. Absolutely. Let's make tonight a night to remember. Quiz time. What does dress up mean? To decorate a room? To go to a party? To wear a costume? To put makeup on someone? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. To wear a costume. Phrasal verb secrets. Dress up can mean to wear a costume or special clothing for a particular occasion or event. It can also mean to wear formal or elegant clothing. Up in this context is not obvious, but in an abstract sense, it can represent a change or an improvement. When someone dresses up for an event, they dress in a better way. Their clothes improve. Phrasal verb extras. Dress down is the opposite of dress up and means to wear casual clothing, especially in a situation where it's expected to wear something formal. On Fridays, employees are allowed to dress down and wear jeans to work. To dress is a word that means something similar to wear, but is used in more formal contexts. It's generally paired with the particle up, and not much else. Examples. She loves to dress up as her favorite movie characters for Halloween. He decided to dress up in a suit for the wedding, even though it wasn't required. They dressed up their dog in a cute outfit for the pet parade. The children had so much fun dressing up and pretending to be knights and princesses. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A costume. Fun clothes that represent something different. A cape. The material behind the back that superheroes wear. Commits to the theme. Dedicates to the theme. Outfit. A set of clothes. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.